All right, what up? What up? What is up? What a crazy day on gold for Monday. What a crazy day on gold. So let's check this out. Let's jump right into it. So it's London Open officially in 30 seconds. And just doing a real quick scan through over here, making sure everything looks legit. Yeah, you guys, what a crazy day on gold, man. I think it's dropped 600 pips just in the Asia sesh. First comment, can we sell now, bro? Bro, please don't tell me it's gonna be one of these days. We can't hear you. Oh, okay, give me a sec. No mic. Check. Test. Sorry, one sec. Sorry, YouTube, I'm just sorting this out on TikTok. Check. Bruh, why is there no mic? Yeah, check. Test. 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 Yes. All right. I'm a genius. I actually am a genie in a bottle. All right. So let's have a look over here, you guys. Oh, what up, Dillawa? Suman. Bog. Bog, don't you dare hit me with that. So let me just get my shit together real quick, you guys. Let's have a look over here. No sound, no sound. All good, all good. All right, so it's back to normal. Can hear you now. Yep. Okay, amazing. Amazing. Oh, morning energy. Good to see you here, brother. Glad to see you here. So you guys, if we just do a real... I know you are, Bog. I know you are. If we do a real quick scan over here, guys, we've dropped 600 pips today. But if you look on the, if you look at some of the economics, I believe, let's just type into Google here. I think China found that they had more gold than they thought, right? And when something's overvalued, like when there's more of something, the value goes down because there's more abundance. So let's just write, why did gold drop today? Yeah, it wasn't just a good old, it wasn't just for nothing. I think there's multiple reasons, but with that being said, I think we're going to retrace back up, but anyway, whatever. Let's just see what's happening over here. Oh, real B2K, what up, my dude? All right, so let's do a quick scan through here. So the 4 hour, look at this big 4 hour candle. It was as big as the election candle nearly. Whatever, came right down. 1 hour, came down. We've hit, like, we're at a level of, we're starting to consolidate a little bit. There's a clear consolidation range that we're stuck in. It is a 100 pip range, but I don't want to trade within this range. So I'm waiting for a breakout of either side. And this is a 30 and the 15. For you guys on TikTok, I've actually got the time frames on the screen now. You can see when I flick through. So people keep asking what time frame is it, you can see. And if they ask, they get blocked. So I feel like if we get a breakout of either side here, you guys, we're going to get a big push. So now it's just a matter of, bro, we've got the charts cornered, and let's just try and catch some sort of breakout over here. I think trading within this range is very dangerous. And so all the people that pop up on TikTok and say buy or sell, the answer is just be patient. Be patient over here. But happy Monday, you guys. Back here on the charts. And it's a good day to be alive. I'll open up Zoom here to do a bit of drawing. So we can do a bit of drawing over here. Perfect, Mox. Good stuff, brother. Let's see if we can do some drawings. Why is it on me? Camera off. Audio off. Share screen. Oh, so I had this Zoom up for you guys that aren't in the Discord. We did a session with the cats in the Discord on Sunday. I think it'd be a really good Sunday ritual. Thanks for oh, Graffiti, you were there on Saturday, right? Yeah. Was it Saturday or Sunday? I think sorry, it was the first time I've done it, so I think like, you know, I've got to figure out like the best way, maybe take it a bit slower and we can just go through the positions together, but it was good nevertheless. I love that you're live. I'm back. Yes, back at it, my dude. That was yeah, I thought so. Yeah, Dilawar, you were there as well. Was perfect. Okay, and we've got the session there as well. Yeah, awesome, you guys. I'm glad that you liked it then. So you guys, again, let's have a look over here. Pretty simple stuff. Just waiting for a candle to close outside of this range. Whatever. Catch the buy. Cool. Same on the bottom end. Obviously, we'll pay attention to how the candles form when they get closer to these areas of interest. But that's the main thing. We need the candles to approach one of these key areas and then attack. Attack. Did anyone catch this crazy move? Dilla, what was that? Oh, no, that was History in the chat there. Said they caught a big move down here. Did anyone catch these any of these drops here? This 600 pip. Was it 600 pip or am I tripping out, bro? So this is open today. It's 600 pips, you guys, during the Asia sesh. Wild. I caught it, yeah. Oh, that Sam, is that you History on are you History on YouTube? Not the whole, yeah, bro. If you catch the whole, you're an absolute wizard. But yeah, you guys caught it. No, okay, sorry. Yeah, you guys caught that one over there. What led to this drop? I think there's a couple of things. Something to do with the war, with the ceasefire, and I think China realized they had more gold reserves than they anticipated they had, or yeah, who knows. But there was some sort of fundamental impact. Are you Australian? No, I'm yeah, I'm Australian, brother. I'm Australian. China, yeah, Dilawar, yeah, something to do, China, something. I'm glad I don't have to know, but it's interesting to know. That's the main reason. Yeah, it's pretty unusual to drop 600 pips during one session, so there's obviously some fundamental factors there. How was last week trading for you? Last week trading for me was good. Yeah, it was actually a really good week. Yep, profitable week. Passed one of my challenges in the last week, so yeah, it was a good week. So just over here on gold, guys. Remember, Monday is always a little bit tricky. You have to be a bit more extra cautious on a Monday, I believe. But I think if we get a breakout of either of these ranges here, there's going to be a lot of volume. How did you get into trade? And I'm in Aussie as well, but people that teach are normally overseas. Yeah, just keep rocking up here. Join the Discord, Dazzle. If you're, I like the fact that there's Australians that are getting into this, because I understand your pain. Yeah, there's not many Australians, but I started with an Australian guy, Aaron Trades. He's an Australian. His strategy is a bit different to mine, but he's a great trader. He uses probably the lower time frames, so I would suggest maybe having a chat with him if you're looking for an Australian guy. 7 mins to 7 minutes in, already holding off. Bro, the first comment nearly triggered me. Yeah, Monday and Friday can be tricky. Yeah, bro, so trade the TikTok chat there. I completely agree with you, man. I found that as well. Are you using the funded? No, I'm on the 100K challenge account. I'm going to start the funded, trading the funded account next week. Yeah, I had to think about that. I think I'm going to start the trading the funded account next week. Today, I just want to chip away at the 100K a bit more. I think it's preparation for a volume coming in. Yeah, because, you know, I say this kind of shit all the time, but the bigger the consolidation, the bigger the breakout, or the longer the consolidation, it's just like kind of fueling up. I always look at it like that. It's just fueling up. How can I join your Discord? It's in my TikTok bio, brother. Click on my TikTok bio and just there's a Discord link there. It doesn't even close the stream down as well if you go to the TikTok. If you go to the bio, the stream stays open. But yeah, Dazzle, if you hit the stream up, if you hit the Discord up, and then just keep showing up here, brother, and we'll just keep trying to chip away. Death zone, yeah, completely, Dillawa. This is the death zone. What up, Kat? What up, John? Kat, you caught this big move down here, I'm assuming. Can I suggest? I think it will go up to, yeah, who knows? Who knows? I never think like that. Like if somebody said to me right now, do you think it's going to go up or down, like break to below or break up? I would say, bro, I have no idea at all. And I don't need to know. That's the cool thing. Fuck, do I sound echoey? I hope not. Do I sound echoey? Lee Pappy Trader. What is up? Third day no trade, I see. For myself? No, it sounds okay. Okay, sweet. No, I caught a little trade here. I caught a bit of this move today. So I'm in profits today, but I'll see what happens. Based on the strat I use, BBA, there's a lot of signs. Do you know, I use the strat BBL, but maybe that can change. Yeah, we'll see. No echo just sounds like you falling ill? No. I'm sharp as an arrow. Hit the sauna this morning. So let's have a look over here. The first 15 of the London sesh. Not much. We're still in this range over here. Yeah, caught a little bit of that move. Not much. Not much. Not much. 277 on the account here. On that move. No. Aussie saying no. So I'll draw something up here, you guys. Let's say this impulsively moves up here and breaks out. And this was something we went through on the simulation session in the Discord on Saturday. If you get a move that pushes that far up without support being formed first, what I'd want to see is a red candle be printed small body up here outside of that breakout zone like this. And then after that, I could look at taking an impulse buy at the break around here. Because the issue is if it just pushes up and then I anticipate it to push up further and take a buy there, I think the probability is much lower that it's going to do that without creating a bit of support first. And that's just something I've seen through trading breakouts for so long. Like you just see these things repetitively. Celery play, exactly, Bog, exactly. And then celery plays typically arise when you do get that impulsive move, which is like a pretty big range, because it doesn't look like it, but that would be about a 60 pip range. Oh, you caught 48 pips. Nice. Still a while. That's massive, bro. Can you show us where you entered and exited while you waited? Oh, fuck. I can't even remember, because... Let's have a look. It wasn't ideal. It was pretty risky, I'll be honest. Was it here? Actually, it wasn't risky at all. It was a beautiful setup. Right here. This is textbook. We're in a heavy downtrend. Here, let me just pull that as pen. Yeah, this is textbook. We're in a heavy downtrend, had a mini pullback. We know that a trend moves like this, right? Has its pullbacks on the way down, lower lows, lower highs. If I was anticipating this to be a lower low and this being a lower high, I go, okay, what are the signs that we're ready to continue down after that? It came up, rejected, created a small body. Not only did it create a small body, the next one engulfed its small body. I said, okay, if this can wick up and then break the body there, I'll take a sell. It did. I took profits about there. It was a small trade, but it obviously dropped way further after that. But that's a textbook onion play. Oh, shit. Alright, so there's a 15 closure. It's the 15 engulfed a lot of this shit here, but it's still a bit too messy there, and I don't like this zone at all. It's death trap. Yeah. Bro, how's this for wizardry, you guys? I've got the fucking time frames even here on TikTok now. What other TikTok streamer goes to these extremes? Oh, graffiti, bro. Can't tell if you're baiting me. I believe you are. I believe you're baiting me. TikTok, we're on 3,000 likes over here. It just banned me. What does the 1 hour look like? So let's have a look here. We came down, hit this level of resistance, created a bit of support, rejected off a second time, starting to work our way back up. The previous 1 hour body got smaller. That was pre-London. Yeah, there's not a whole bunch of analysis that can be done in this range. All I know is we're in this death range and it's just Wick City and no one knows what's going on. Oh, you're going to wait for the peak in New York? Yeah. Based on my trading style, I wouldn't look at that onion. I wouldn't. Oh, I would have took that onion and gone BE. Yeah. Yeah, I see. I agree with you there, Bog. I think because it wasn't. I don't usually like to trade Asia, so I felt like I'm kind of being naughty here anyway. So, yeah, got like 12 pips or something. It's all right. You've got to ask yourself, like, because it was such an impulsive move down, surely that it needs to kind of fill a bit of that range. Like, look at this range here, this just naked area. But let's not try to be, let's not try and be the crystal ball people and just see what happens. We don't want to be any crystal ball people. What do you think about fundamental? I think it's... doesn't matter for me. I think it matters more if you're a swing trader. That's for sure. Yeah, I think it matters more if you're a swing trader. That's my exact setup. What's your exact setup? A breakout over here? Yeah, because you got to think about it, bro. Like, this range is just yucky. All right. Do you really want to take a trade in this Wick City freaking range of doom? So I think it's, let's just be professional over here and wait for a little breakout. Take profit for buy. Well, I don't know. I haven't taken one. Do you think your strategy works best for scalps, or can it be applied to day trading? I would say scalps. I would say scalps. Yeah. And by day trading, I think, do you mean like intraday trading? Like you're holding a trade for a couple of hours type shit? Are you going to buy? Are you going to read, brother? Can I buy a gold bar and hold? No. I just read the regulations in your country and it says that is against the law. Yeah, into the, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I do think, because my strategy kind of capitalize on these impulsive breakouts and things like that. And a lot of the times it's kind of like a red hot area. And I've noticed price likes to usually gravitate back and fill that range. So, because you would typically like to move your stop to break even and things like that. And I think you'd probably get taken out quite a lot. Oh, what up, History? Good to see you, my dude. Good to see you, my brother. Waiting for a breakout over here. So that 30 candles moving up. And like I said, if this does break out, we'll need a bit of support to be created first on the 15, and then should be good to go. 4 candles back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, yes. Yes. I agree. I agree, because you had a level of resistance here. You had a level of resistance here. It broke out. Yeah, pretty tempting. It is a messy range, but yeah, I see. If this candle closes the bubble, looks nice. Yeah, but first we'll need a support. So I just said to anyone that's new on the chat there, I said if it breaks out up here, that's cool and all. But I would certainly need a red candle to be printed, small body up here, up in this breakout range like that, and then take an impulse buy at the break of that candle about there. Because I don't trust, I think the probabilities are lower if it just breaks out and then you take a buy at the flip, right? I think the probabilities are lower that that's going to happen. Typically you'll need a bit of support to be formed up there before it has enough strength to punch through. It's a fake out. Don't buy, guys. We'd only buy if the candle closed. So no, I agree with you. And I wouldn't say it's a fake out. It's just whatever. Oh, it is whatever you think it is, I guess. That's really all trading is. When you think about it, guys, you know how people are like, bro, it's manipulation. It's an algorithm. No, it's institutional manipulation. And it's like, or it's just markets moving and we've had to create names and stories for what it's doing. And it's just like, pick your story, right? Pick what storyline you want to go with. And let's hope that that benefits you the best. Other people, no, it dropped down and rejected here. So that's a liquidity grab. They stopped out people intentionally. And now it can move. Or it just moved down. It was a strong level. And for whatever reason, it just danced around there for a bit. Like, who knows? But I guess we all kind of have to come up with a story, right? Is this the 15-minute? John, do you know the amount of effort I went to withhold people saying such statements? John, look up here. Look under where I am. Look under my shirt, like right here. Look at that. My analysis for gold buys must break above 2676. Yeah, it's pretty close to where I'm looking at history. $2,673. Yeah, I could see that Monday seems hard to predict. Mr. J, we never predict, we react. Oh, your boy's dropping freaking one-liners over here. Pump Muggy to 100k. We'll leave the freaking casino for you, brother. Yeah, mate. Graffiti, I'll just do this. This is a stream for the rest. Bog, yeah, I see what you're saying. We get a fake out with a range 2 because if it does break out here, that would increase the probability of a fake out because it's against the trend. But for it to be a fake out, like you would almost see it kind of unpredictably move up, something like that. All right. You know, sometimes, because the candles usually most of the time give you a chance, bro. They usually give you a chance. And when they don't, I'm always like, huh, this is interesting. It's a bit suspicious. Ban the word time frame. I haven't start trade. Oh, you already took a buy over there. Watching your sim sesh Sunday and instantly regretted not attending. Oh, Wayne. Yeah, let's we'll smash another one out on this weekend. You guys, if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. It's free. There's no I'm not selling anything, but on the weekends we'll do a sim session together. It's really good. Really good over there. So the Discord's in my bio on TikTok over there. Or if you're on YouTube, it's in the chat. No, this isn't a fake out yet. Yep. A lot of the times you should be able to get 15, 20 pips. If you want to learn patience, then you got to love homes. Well, the thing is, and this is something I say a lot, is like there's nothing we can do until it, well, nothing I can do until it gets to one of these zones. So no matter what happens within this death range here, I can't get FOMO because I know I need it to get either to here or to here before I can start to really kind of get my shit together and start preparing for something. What does it mean when there's a lot of long wicks with small bodies? It depends. It depends on a lot. Like, you can obviously see there's long wicks here, but you've got to take into consideration today's been unusual where we've dropped 600 pips in one session. That's quite unusual. We hit a strong level of we just hit a level, right? Where it's like run out of steam a little bit. Maybe there was still enough steam for it to push down and it was like, no, I'm not ready yet. Let's just hang out now until the next session. I just brought the MT5 simulator. Oh, Dillawa, excellent, bro. I think that'll help you. That's, yeah, bro, it's really good. Again, one of the biggest things I said, man, is like, try to just scan through like 4 days. Because after the 4 days in the simulator, the fourth session or whatever, yeah, you start like going a bit crazy. But that's awesome. Hi, Daniel. It seems I can't join your Discord. Keeps telling me action can't be completed. I've had this issue before. I just don't know if I believe you. I just don't know if I believe you. If it doesn't, type Daniel Holmes trades into YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now as well, and it's in the chat there. What's the chart time frame, sir? Okay. I see how it is. I see what's up. Thanks, Daniel, for helping us for free here on TikTok. Big ups, brother. Oh, I appreciate the love there. Bro, the pleasure is mine. Trust me, the pleasure is mine. I get more out of this than you guys. So... oh, look at this. Parker in the chat over here said you have to open it in the browser, not in the TikTok window. Interesting. So you must have to click copy of the Discord link and then paste it into your browser. Nice. Oh, Grav, what up, brother? Good to see you here, my dude. They teasing you. Is that right, Bog? Is the writing not very clear, isn't it? Bro, it looks fucking bright as. I can send you a screenshot. I'm not kidding, bud. Mr. Come and Get It. You should do that. Just copy the actual Discord link and paste it into internet like browser, and do it that way. Do you still think gold will hit 300 by the end of the year? Probably, maybe. I'm not sure. Link still doesn't work. Bruh. It's clear to me. Because... Oh, look at this. Energy in the chat said, yeah, he posted the link into a browser. So we've got 30 seconds over here. This is a half an hour closure as well. We're working our way up here to this resistance up here. Oh, someone else said in the chat here, so you actually have to have the Discord app on your phone if you want to click it. Interesting, bro. If that's true, then that's amazing, because that could be the reason why so many people are like, it doesn't work. It's like, bro, you don't even have Discord, the app. Of course it's not going to work. Let's see how this closes. Yeah, so it gave that resistance a little touch. I was like, oh, let me test up here. That's all right. It could work its way up. What app is this, bro? Khabib Nurmagomedov. Khabib Nurmagomedov, the actual UFC fighter, is in the chat here. This is TradingView. By the way, I'm learning a new strategy that could change my life if used right. But it only takes 3 to 4 trades a month. Oh, okay. Lots of patience there, history. I have the app, it don't work. It's TikTok problem. Copy link. Fuck. Alright, whatever. I'll have to fix it for next stream. Alternatively, you guys, I'm on YouTube right now. It's in the YouTube link, Daniel Holmes Trades. It's better on YouTube as well. It's a full screen. Alright, so the 30 close, we're working our way up. It touched the resistance level here. The 1 hour is still open. 4 hours still open. I've got to... No, we'll wait. We'll wait. Yeah, that's true. Thank you, Graffiti. History. Don't give yourself any time frames. It's okay, brother. It's okay. You're still trying different things and just trying to find what feels best for yourself. So be okay, or just know that it's going to be normal to have a rough week or a rough couple of weeks or however long. 2.5 years, brother. Khabib. How long have you been training MMA? Thank you for the follow there on TikTok, Pedro and Japet. Oh wow, a bunch of follows just came through. I'm a Khabib fan. Yeah, I know, brother. Yeah, let's see if we get some volume up here. I'm gonna buy. Oh. No, there's no news today. No. Well, no red folder news that's going to affect the US dollar or gold. Nothing. And tomorrow's the same. It's going to be in a buy. How do you know? What are your thoughts on meme coins, bro? I don't. No thoughts at all. I'm a trader, not a coin flipper. That's all. I made a video on my TikTok. It's on my page. It talks about the distinction that you have to make, because you're going to get an influx of young kids talking about how they made 10K in a day and all this kind of shit with meme coins. And it's like, I'm not trying to be the pessimistic guy, but That's not what it's about. It's not what it's about. You might as well go the Cass. Coin flipper. Like, let's be honest. Yeah. So yeah, let's just be patient here. We're in this range, death range, and it's just going to be a game of patience. Just know it's from anyone that trades similar to me, you guys have to know that this is a death zone, and it's going to be patience to get to either here or to down here. All right. Anyone that wants to trade in this zone, good luck, but I'll have to pass on that. I just started trading with 20 bucks. Okay, awesome. Just start getting your beak wet. Start feeling it. Abid, what up? Hello, bud. I'm looking to get into prop firms. Do you think that's a good idea for Forex? Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Just get the cheapest one and just start having a crack. Get the cheapest one and try and pass it, essentially. Stick to your rules and yeah. Oh, what up, Chris? Good to see you, my dude. Been on for about half an hour. Someone said there's red folder news tomorrow. It must be like late at night or late at night my time, 12 a.m. Yeah, consumer conference, 12 a.m. my time. Thank you for the follow there on TikTok, Joseph. Thank you for the follow there on TikTok, Bopish FX. Do you use MetaTrader 5? Only for the simulation sessions. Only to simulate trading, like backtesting. I bought more confirmed zones. Oh, okay, you're in buys more. Okay. Yeah, sure, it could go up, but I'm gonna have to wait for a bit more of a clear signal for such. A clearer signal over here. Waiting for that breakout. Yeah, nice, Shane. Like I said, people could probably get signals to do buy or sell or whatever it is around here, but like realistically, you guys, it's just pretty flippin' crazy. Like, if we know that price obviously has issues to get past minor support or minor resistance, look how many little levels there are here. There's so much shit, and then to the left here, it's just a nightmare. Like, why would you want to participate in that? You want clean range. Maybe if you're like, oh, I took a buy and this was what was to the left-hand side, just clean range. Like, oh yeah, nice. But it's just a mess here. And if the idea is to kind of stack the odds in your favor of the trade going in your direction, then you're kind of stacking them out of your favor by participating in this range, it would seem like. In capitals. Okay, I joined your Discord, but where is the link to your YouTube channel in your Discord? It's not in the Discord. I don't have a link to my YouTube channel. Just write Daniel Holmes. Here, I'll write in the chat right here. Type this into YouTube. Daniel Holmes Trades, boom. Into YouTube, and it's the full screen. You can see all the shit. You can see the price points and things like that. Yeah, listen to John in the chat here. He said, prop firms are good for beginners. Way to learn consistency and stick to rules. I agree. If the candle breaks support, will you go sell? Yes, but obviously I need to see certain things. But in theory, yes, that's the idea. Right? People just want to, I can't say the G word, but mamble. Yes, I agree with you. That's why these meme coins and things are going off so much. Because young dudes, like, it's like almost just everyone loves to mamble, right? It's like a thrill, like you feel something. Especially when you're seeing all these like kids on TikTok, like, man, I just made 10K with this freaking donkey butt coin. And it's like, oh, okay. Daniel owns real estate. If it breaks resistance buy, that's the other idea. Mr. Come and Get Me, if you're on the YouTube channel, it's in the chat. It's pinned in the chat. Timothy, hey brother, what's your thoughts on trading in the month of December? Same, just keep chipping away, brother. Don't think about it too much, I think. I think that's going to be a big thing, is just keep at it. If the conditions are a bit different, just try to adapt and maybe be a bit more cautious. But yeah, just keep at it, brother. I think we can, and I do it as well, like you think about it too much, like, oh, what if this? Or if I'm back testing, what if I do it in 2022? How different are the markets going to be? Bro, markets are markets. The candles move, they move. It's like, just, yeah, it's all good. Got it. Awesome. Awesome, you got it. So we've got 4 minutes over here for this candle closure. It's the new 30. Let's see if we can head up towards this resistance over here and maybe create some sort of support. Let's see what we can do up here. Subscribed. Oh, yeah, thank you. If you're in the YouTube chat, drop a subscribe, you guys. I'd appreciate that a ton. That'd be amazing. That'd be freaking really amazing. So yeah, it might not be the this is really what trading's all about, right? Just waiting for waiting for the opportunity. Wait for the charts to come to us. Wait for the candles to move to where we want them. We don't have to force anything. Keep smashing, mate. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that, Shane. Just keep showing up. I'm like you guys. We'll just keep showing up and try to get shit popping off. Try to get some, build these accounts and just turn our dreams to reality. Click the bell there too. Yes, that'd be dope if you guys can do that, for sure. A funded's a way to make money and supply your love. And supply your love. Oh, and supply your life? A funded's the way to make money and supply your life. I don't know what you mean, brother. Trading is 90% waiting. Couldn't agree with you more, bro. Let's just be professional over here. Let's be real professional over here. I see you're more active in the chat on TikTok rather than YouTube. Left a message above that I know. Oh, Bog, the only reason is I don't understand that message. I don't understand what you meant by that. And the only reason I'm more active on the TikTok chat is because they're saying a lot more. That's all. Someone said buy or sell over here. Subscribe. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Oh, Debbie over here in the chat just passed it a funded challenge. Congratulations. Excellent. Like, shall I use a funded account to get a payout, then use the payout for my live account? Oh, Callum. I think that's a good idea. Yes, I think that's a really good idea, bro. Yep, and just run them both. I think that's a great idea. Well, Debbie, if you just passed a funded challenge, there is no payout. You have to actually get payouts with the real account now. So we've got a minute and a half over here. Let's see if this can push up a bit further. If not, it's all good. We'll just see. It's working its way up. There's a way to show the time frame on the screen in the background. Oh, I see what you're saying, Bog. It's all right. I figured it out now anyway. It's on TikTok now, and YouTube can already see it. So, but yeah, that's interesting. Maybe I should have... Yeah, if I would have known that prior, but it's all right. I just sorted it now, I guess. I see what you're saying. Been trading for 2 years now and actually seeing signs of a profitable trader. Hey, Callum, can I actually say something about that, you guys? You know how we always have in our head, like, man, I wonder what it's like to be a profitable trader. I want to be a profitable trader. Just delete delete the word profitable trader. It's just an unnecessary thing, I honestly believe. I don't even think like that anymore. I used to. Now I just think, just fucking show up and just do the thing. Stick to the rules and do the thing. Because when you have like too much of a like, oh, I can't wait to get to this vision point, it's almost like this unrealistic thing. I think once you get there, you'll be like, you won't even think like the same way anymore. Hi, I wonder if I should buy after buy above line. You can if you want. You can if you want, brother. You can if you want. You can try it. It doesn't bite. Oh, it's all right. It's already sorted now anyway, so it doesn't matter. It's on TikTok now. And YouTube can see it too. Oh, thank you for the follow there on TikTok, Azar72. Amazing. Nicknames 21. Henrik. Oh, Jonas, Kyle, gang. All right, what have we done? So, what's the 1 hour looking like, you guys? Cool. I'm interested. Yeah, let's watch what happens here. I think we're going to get some sort of pretty solid breakout over here at some point. Let's be patient. And if not, we'll see. Henrik, what up, brother? What up? What up? Good to have you here, my dude. Good to have you here. Gold will always climb, yeah. Let's see what's happening over here on the Discord. And you guys, if you are... Oh, look at this. Some sort of unusual activity here on the Discord. Hopefully no one's spamming me. If you guys have any analysis, bring it up here on the Discord and I'll pull it up on the stream. Yeah, guys, listen to Chris over here in the chat. Hit the likes while you're chilling out, because look at this. We're nearly at 10k likes. Bruh. Thank you for the follow over there, Josie. Thank you for the follow over there, Savior FX. So this is the last 15 of the first 1 hour of candle of New York session, London session. So let's see what can happen over here. Check Discord. You got something there in the Discord, Dilawar? Let's have a look. Okay, so you're following some sort of channel here, and you're anticipating a breakout to the downside. Is that right? You're anticipating a breakout to the downside, and that looks like the daily time frame, I believe. Can you please explain your strategy? It's pretty difficult to explain. You should join the Discord, Caleb, because I'll be doing a simulation session every weekend. We go through the strategy in real time. It's in my bio there on TikTok. Oh, that's the hourly, is it, Dilawar? Yeah, that is the hourly, of course. So we broke out of some channel here on the hourly. That's actually quite interesting. Let me have a look over here. Is it clean though? It's pretty clean. Yeah, it's pretty clean. That is pretty clean. So the two things can happen. Obviously, it can continue dropping down, or it can come back up and tap into the bottom end of that trend line, or nothing means anything, and it can just do whatever it wants. So, which is most likely what it is. So. But yeah, that's quite an interesting observation over there. Yeah. Okay. What do you think of CoinSpot? I don't know anything about crypto stuff. Yeah, exactly, bro. You guys, I don't know anything about crypto stuff, and I I think you should really question why you're interested as well. If you are, why are you interested? Can I get your Discord, brother? Yeah, it's in my TikTok bio there. Just click the Discord there. Join it, brother. Join it. We'll just try to really grow in the old Discord there and just get better as traders together. That's the goal, right? The whole trading space is so flooded with just fucking chaos. Like I've been in Discord groups before, and there's just so many people, and just it's about money. Like the people that run it, typically it's always about money. I'm not selling anything. We're just there to get better. Is your Discord for free? Yeah, absolutely, bro. Just click it in the chat there, in my bio there on TikTok. It doesn't even close the stream. So many fake. Yeah, bro. So many fake. It's freaking painful. Hey, Daniel, do you agree YouTube chat is taller and more handsome than... Hey, Daniel, do you agree YouTube chat is taller and more handsome than TikTok chat? You know what? I don't really understand what you're saying, and I'm going to take it that you're implying that you're a tall, handsome, young chap. So I don't want to discriminate. I'll say everyone's tall and handsome over here. Everyone is tall and handsome. But check this out, you guys. Let's look over here. This is in the Discord here. This is a simulation link that we'll do every weekend, and we'll run through something. Because on the weekends you feel like, man, I need to be more productive. Like I don't want to feel like I've done nothing that would, improve my trading essentially. So we can get on a Zoom link together and essentially just run through a sim sesh. Why do you only trade one instrument? Because I found the most success when I simplified my trading down to one session and one instrument. That's when I found most success. What's your strategy? Price action. I'm having beef with this guy. Which guy? Ah, the YouTube guys. I am tall and handsome. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's thanks, Dilawar. Every Saturday, you guys, 6 p.m. Brisbane time. It's essentially 6 p.m. London, like it's London open time, but on the weekend. So every Saturday, London open, we'll do the sim session, the Discord over there. Someone said in capitals, gold is still on sale, maybe. We'll have to wait and see. So 8 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close. I do like, if this stays red like this, I do like that it's created a bit of support here, because if we get a breakout from this point, then I won't worry about a red candle being printed at the breakout range. I'll be looking to take a breakout buy from there, right? As to where before, when it was like still way down here, I was like, well, if it moved up that far, I'm going to need a red candle to be printed outside of this range before I look at taking a buy. But because we're closer now and we've created a bit of support here, I'll be happy for a breakout without that red candle being printed first. Do you trade Euro US? No, just gold. Just gold. Would you not wait for the retest after a candle closure break? Yes. So like Adib, let's say that this candle here, like let's say the next candle does come up and break out like this, right? You don't take a buy then. I need to see the following candle retrace to some degree, and then that rejection shows me, okay, at least it's tried to break back into the range and it couldn't. And then I would look at taking a buy about there at the flip and break at the next candle's wick. But a lot of the times it won't be like a wick like that. It'll be like that. And you just have to kind of anticipate an area in which you would like to take the buy. I would probably take it to the left here to engulf these wicks here. I would take it just above those wicks there. But yeah, you definitely need that retracement to some regard. Yeah, I think that's the way to kind of increase the probability of the trade going in your way is just wait for a few. Like, you got to have a few checklists, you guys. If you're looking to take a trade, you've got to have checklists. Like, has it ticked these boxes? And one of the boxes, just two, for instance, if I do get a breakout, one, I can't take the trade within the first minute of the opening candle that after the breakout. I need to wait for that first minute to go past. And two, I need a wick. I need it to retrace and try to show me that it doesn't want to be back in this range, right? I need it to at least come down and test and then flip and create a wick. And then I'd be like, okay, at least I have that confirmation ticked off that it did at least try. Does that mean that it's not going to go back? No, but it slightly increases the probability. And that's what I want to do. I just want to continue to stack probabilities in my favor. And even if you get like 5 probabilities in your favor, you're still not guaranteed shit. What is your success rate? 100%. What advice would you give someone to struggle is say, look in the mirror, be real with yourself and say, what am I doing repetitively that's keeping me in this loop? You can't be in denial. You know why you're struggling, S or $, whatever your tag is. You know exactly why you're struggling, right? So now it's just a matter of saying, okay, well, what is it? Write it down on paper. This is why. Well, when I get into a position, I'm greedy and I hold, or I have no patience, so I just enter, or I feel like gambling, so I just enter. Be real with yourself, figure it out, and then say, okay, in order for me to get better, I just have to stop that. And no one has the recipe for stopping a bad habit except you. It's just something you have to wake up every morning. It's a consistent battle of like, discipline is a daily habit, not I just fixed it, now I'm good. No, it's a daily habit. Would it be easy to go out in the bush with a metal detector to get caught? Yeah, I mean, maybe. Sometimes the retest doesn't happen, but confirmation is the best way. Sometimes the retest doesn't happen, and you have to be okay with that. Shane, yep, I completely agree with you. So whenever I get a breakout, the first thing I usually say in the chat is, if this leaves without me, I'm okay with that. Right? I'm already mentally preparing for it to leave without me, so I don't get a sense of FOMO. I want to do things to decrease that emotional state. And I as soon as I get a breakout, I'm like, okay, now I'm getting close to where I would enter. But if it leaves without me and doesn't tick a major box, I have to be okay with that. Fear of missing out, yep. Yep, exactly. Check this out with Dillar in the chat. Last week there was 2 no trade days. Do you know how intense that is? Not intense, but like to a newer trader, or think about your older self as a trader, to be able to sit at the charts for a couple of hours and just be like, nothing clear happened. No clear setup arose for me, and I just didn't trade for 2 entire days. But I sat in front of the charts with intentions to trade, and that's fine. If you don't get those boxes ticked, you don't have to take the trade. Yep, exactly. This chick, I vote that you this chick just sent me a message saying, I vote you shave your chin hair thing off and grow your mustache. Will look good. I vote you shut up. That's a better answer. We're not going to change ourselves for girls, bro. We don't get shamed into changing who we are. Last week, 5 no trade days for me. There you go. Fair enough. It was a very volatile week. It just kept moving. It didn't give a whole bunch of clues. The FVG above, I don't know anything about any of that stuff. Can we see an example page of your journal? Yeah. Yep. Let's have a look. You can see it better on YouTube. So the front page, I don't really read this, but it just has a few kind of reminders, you know, work things, entry, key to trade industry, like a business psychology, whatever. And then I have my actual journal, which has the date, notes, pair, setup, range, time, profits. And then to the left, session time, what day, what month. And then I attach screenshots so I can see, oh, okay, I entered here, blah, 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 what happened in that trade, what does it visually look like, etc. All right. That's true energy. That's very true. You trade also crypto? Absolutely not. What's the software called? Yeah, so that's called Notion. So I paid for this template, and then I just adjusted it to how I like it. So just pay for a cheap one. Please, Discord link. It's in my TikTok bio, brother. How you doing, Master? I'm doing good, Max. No worries, TTU Shibby. Hey brother, what do you usually do when price comes? What do you usually do when price closes above closure? Does it indicate that? I don't know what you mean. Do you pay for TradingView? No. No, we might get a breakout here, Yazzie. I'm looking for investors. Good luck. The 1 hour just closed, you guys. So we're working up. We're still in this range, but candle bodies are getting bigger, and we're kind of edging our way up. No. Any training from you, brother? Join the Discord. We'll be doing a lot of cool stuff in there, brother, to try and help everyone, including myself, elevate. So we're working our way up, but remember how before I said the candle was red and I was like, oh, if we get a breakout from there, I'll be interested. It flipped green, so it's just green, green, green. So if we do get a breakout, check this out, you guys. And this is for the new people. I've done this about 6 times, but whatever. If we get a breakout of some sort, I want to see a red candle printed after that, like this, some sort of small body red candle. And then I feel much more confident about taking an impulse buy at the break there. I think that would be great, because if we just have green, green, green and then get a breakout, the probability of it continuing up and just being green is decreased, and it's a bit risky. I don't want to take such risks. How long are you usually on the charts daily? A couple hours here on the London session, and then after that I just get a bit too fried, brother. I'm going to join the Discord now. Oh, Shane, yeah, join the shit out of it, brother. Every weekend we'll all jump on a Zoom freaking webinar together and just smash out some simulation sessions. So at least we're proactive on the weekends and feel like we're getting better and can come into the new week sharp as an arrow. Bobby Norris, TM. Oh, we don't care about coins, bro. Sorry. I shared my setup on Discord. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, okay, let's have a look over here. So this is a 30-minute sell on rejection or retest. Oh, okay, so you're waiting for a breakout about midway. You're waiting for a sell mid-range in this area here. You're waiting for a retest up there, and then you're going to sell from there. Very interesting. Okay. Okay. So there's a bunch of people that are taking a buy right now. Amateurs. It could totally just keep going up, but we'll wait. We need closures. See this keyword right here, buys above? There's a keyword, closure. Just got a sell signal from a signal group. Ah, very nice. Get out of the signal group, Graffiti. You've got to learn to fly. Need confirmations, exactly, Dilwa. Exactly. We can't buy now. Read, my dude. You can, but if you want to stack the probabilities in your favor, waiting for a candle to close is going to be that stack. Are you Kiwi? No, I'm Australian. Mate, I'm bloody Australian. Show us that retest gold. Yeah, so this candle's still got 10 minutes before it closes, you guys. So, yeah, who knows? Let's just be patient. There's nothing we can do. I can sit here right now and the candle can freaking explode into colors. There's nothing I can do until it closes. It's really that simple. There's a time and a place to take an impulse buy, but this isn't it. This isn't that time or place. Wow, 200 people watching here on TikTok. Incredible. Incredible, you guys. If you're not following on TikTok, drop a follow, my dudes. I'll be live every day. Every day. To this day. To this day. Because it's clean range to the left, I feel like a big move. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Shall I buy now, bro? You can, but I am not. I'm waiting for a candle closure. Do you ever trade the 5 minute? Never. Never. I don't even look at it. I don't even look at it. Join the Discord. Yeah, there's a Discord in the chat in my bio there on TikTok. Join the Discord if you're a true G. Do you have Blue Knox discount code? No, but I have a live stream that we're on right now. So we've got 8 minutes here for this candle closure. Why do I need to get out of the signal group, sir? Because, well, be in the signal group if your intentions in this game, if your intentions in this game is to try to get if you jump on the charts and this is a casino, right? This is a glorified casino that you can play at home, then stay in all the groups as you want. But if you're in this to master the skill set, because trading is a skill set that can be mastered, like you can actually develop the skill of trading, then being in signal groups is only going to mess with your head, and you need to get out and learn to fly by your own. Fly. We love your energy, bro. Oh, thanks, John. But why are you basing your strategy on the 15 when I could imagine most people look at the 5 minute? I don't know what most people look at. I don't care what most people look at. I don't even base on the 15. The 15 just gives the most opportunity, but any lower time frame than the 15, the confirmations, especially for breakouts, are too weak. It doesn't mean anything. Check this out. I'll draw something right here. Just say this is a 5 minute chart and it breaks out like this. That means absolutely nothing to me. The 5 minute is a weaker confirmation, and even the 15 is a weak confirmation, but it's strong enough with other confluences. It's strong enough with other confluences. To be honest, I always watch TikTok lives and never give some ideas and never follow, but you? Oh, I follow because you seem legit. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that a ton. I really appreciate that, man. It means a lot to me. That giant candle to the left is discouraging me from a buy. Yeah, maybe. We'll see. We'll see. But you've also got to ask yourself, price like this, naked range like this, generally always gets filled. You very rarely will just see a naked area like that doesn't get filled. What's TA mean? That's why all my TA getting messed up because I confirmation on them. Bruh, English. Wow, TikTok just spammed with follows. Thank you guys. Appreciate that a lot. What coin is this? Icon, leave the chat immediately. Leave the chat immediately. Or shit's going down because, yeah. I think shit will go down. So we've got 5 minutes over here, you guys, for this closure. Let's see if it can break out. In your opinion, what is the biggest mover of gold? There's a lot. There's a lot of fundamental factors. War, China. But I'm not the person that would be able to give you the most accurate thing because I don't need to know personally. What's your win rate? 100%. No, okay, I'll be honest. My win rate's 110%. It doesn't matter, bro. I don't even know. It's all right. It's all right. It doesn't matter, but. Bro, just ask questions. Oh, I feel bad for that dude now. I shouldn't have said guy. He doesn't know I'm joking. I know. Oh, fuck. It's a gold coin. Damn, I feel bad. Oh well. So we've got 4 minutes. It's dancing around here. Let's see. Let's see. At least something interesting has happened. We're up near this range now. Even if this doesn't break out, we're there. We're there. So let's see. Let's see how it wants to dance around this key area, this key zone here. Number of years of trading, 2.5. If you're in this chat, I'm going to try and keep it 100% with you guys, like that you've never seen before, because I'm the same as you guys. I enjoy watching other traders' lives, and I enjoy this and that. And from what I see, there's a lot of shit, man. There's a lot of fakery. So let's just be 100% over here and just crush it together. I always learn something on your lives. Thanks. Oh, I thank you so much for that. I appreciate. I'm glad to hear that. Thanks to you, mate. No, I appreciate that. You watch Roger Banks? Yes, I watch Roger Banks sometimes. I used to watch him quite a lot, but yeah. You're the real one, dog. Icon, you're back. Hey, brother, I was only joking before. I'm really sorry. That was weighing on my conscience. You're 100% one of the real... Ah, brother, appreciate that. What other trades do you watch? Really, it's just Roger. But I've scanned... Like, when I scan through TikTok and stuff, it's just like, God damn, like these 18-year-olds, and then the thing is like 50,000 a week I earn, and the other dude 90% win rate, and it's just scam central, you guys. It's scam nation out here. So just be careful. Let's be real over here. So I've got 3 minutes over here. Is there any possibility for longs? Look. Brother, did you trade during the fall of gold? Yeah, I got a little trade over here, like nothing special. I snagged $277 there. I snagged $277, but it could have been much more, but yeah, it's just not really the session I trade, so I was like, I'm getting out. Have you seen Tory trades? Yeah, that chick. Yeah. That's who I learned my strategy from. Okay, trend lines, I believe. Is this what you do full-time? No, I have a full-time job. I work for a gas company. I wake up, go to the gym, work throughout the day, and then I come home and pursue trading during the London session of night. I pursue this very much so. Where are you trading from? My computer in Australia. Prop firm. Will you wait for a POI entry? POI, point of interest? Point of interest? Look at this, it's rejecting over here. I found somebody claiming to have a 500% on TikTok last month. Yeah, bro, it's wild out here, I'm telling you guys. Bro, there's consistently 240 people watching here on TikTok. This is bonkers. And in YouTube, 244. Hey, you guys, I'm on YouTube right now. It's the full screen. You can see everything way better. It's Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. So we've got a minute over here, pushing up. I'm in Sydney. Oh, nice, David. Okay. You should jump in the Discord there. It's in my bio. If you're not in the Discord, join the community over there, gang. Any discount on gas? No. What do you think about the whole Don Vu scandal? Yeah, it's pretty sad. It's a shame. It's a shame. I think, yeah, it is a shame. You would think that he would want to just be like, hey guys, yeah, I fucked up, sorry. Oh, thank you for the follow there on TikTok, TK. Thank you for the follow there on TikTok. But what prop firm and how much? Yeah, I'm with a bunch different at the moment. I'm with a fair few different at the moment. It won't break now. It will break in 30 minutes. Who knows? Looks like it's about to break. It's got 30 seconds there. Don't try to predict. React. That's the slogan over here. Don't predict, react. So 15 seconds over here. Now, anybody that's been watching this since the start, I've said, if we're just green, which we are, and we get a breakout, I can't do anything, you guys, until I get a 15-minute candle closed like this next. And then after that, I've got the green light to take an impulse buy right there. But because we've moved up so green and broken out, to me, I have to ask myself, what's the probability of us... Oh, no top wick as well. No, don't buy... Okay, do whatever. I'm not buying just yet. I'm waiting because I've had two... So when you're about to take a trade, you lay out the boxes that you need checked in order to take the trade. Okay, have we broken out? Yes. Is there volume? Yes. London Open. Is it a key area? Yes. Did it create support at least 50 pips before it broke out? No, we've moved up green 70 pips without creating support, you guys. That's a big, important box that wasn't ticked. Interesting. Was there a wick when it broke out? No, it actually broke out without no wick. What does no wick mean? It means no range has been created yet. So there's going to be like a tentativeness, like a tendency to be like, oh, should we go? Should we not go? So I'm going to need this candle to virtually print exactly how it is right here, this red one. Like I would obviously like a bit more of a tail on it. I want it to tail down and just show me it tried to break back into this zone but couldn't. And if I don't get that, you guys, and this just decides to leave, fine by me. There's nothing I can do about that because some of my key boxes weren't ticked. And here's the other thing. If it does leave, it's okay as well. Another opportunity will probably just set up in a couple minutes. We're still fresh in the London session. It's only been an hour. If you buy now, where's your stop loss? I wouldn't even tell you, bro, because I wouldn't consider it just yet. I wouldn't consider it just yet. If this current candle wicked down and tried to break back into the range and did something like that, my stop loss would be below that wick. But let's just chill out. There's no rush. And even if it leaves, it's fine. Another setup will come. Wow, 260 people here over on TikTok. 15k likes and nearly 100 follows. Man, I love you guys. That's so wild, bro. That's so wild. That's so wild. But I hope that makes sense, what I just laid out there for you guys. Like, you guys do whatever you want, but I think what I just said, there's a couple of key boxes that just need to be ticked that kind of weren't. I love you. I love you consistency. I love your consistency, bro. Thank you, Dave. I appreciate that, brother. Appreciate that. I shall buy now, question mark. If you guys didn't just see what I just said then, I just went on a rant about why I'm not just yet, then I can't help you, bro. Because you are so real. Thanks, brother. I appreciate that so much, man. Algorithms doing the magic. Yeah, thank you, algorithms. You've got a great attitude towards trading. That's why we're here, brother. Appreciate that, Jay. Thanks, bro. Thanks heaps, man. You guys, if you're not on the Discord, join the Discord. It's in my bio over there, gang. We're out here. We're out here trying to grow as traders. Brother Zeke, what up, brother? Oh. When do you think it's best to buy, bro? I just went through it all. I'll outline why I didn't take a buy just yet, again in a second, but I just went through exactly that. And guys, take into consideration this as well. Look, take into consideration this as well. There's 3 big wicks here to the left, so there's a key level here as well. That I would be interested in, like, paying attention to if I was in a trade. Yep, without the confluences, there's no need to gamble. Exactly, bro. Like, don't. What happened in the Asia session? Some fundamental news hit and pushed the market down. China's gold reserves, some war, peace in the war, just a bunch of things happened at once. Bro, I want to trade with you. Is YouTube better? YouTube is better. Daniel Holmes trades on YouTube. It's a full screen. You can see everything. And you can just sit your phone there like instead of TikTok. Daniel Holmes trades into YouTube. I'm live right now. YouTube gang, if you're not subscribed, drop a subscribe, you guys. Because we're here live every single day. To this day. To this day. Ah, that meme's... that meme is constantly stuck in my head. To this day. All right, so 10 minutes over here. Again, I need this candle to stay red. That'd be amazing. If this candle stays red, I'll 100% take an impulse buy. I've heard traders talk about psychological numbers. Yeah, psychological numbers. Wow, brain tumor. It makes the most sense when you're at all-time highs. Because when you're at all-time highs and you're looking to take a buy, you think, man, where are we going to go, right? Then you have to pay attention to psychological numbers. What are psychological numbers? They're essentially just whole numbers. So what's the next psychological number here? 2730, right? It's a full number. It's essentially just full numbers. And yeah, it makes it's most relevant at all-time highs and things like that. Oh, thank you for the follow there on TikTok, Crypto Air, Tom, and that student Denver. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, you guys. So this is exactly, so I'm really liking how this is looking just yet, but let's not get too crazy. Because here's the thing as well, you guys, the 30's still open. The 30's still open. Do you happen to use the Fibonacci? No, I don't. I used to. I don't anymore. It's not relevant to me anymore. Sick. Don't jinx it, bro. You know what? You're fucking right. Yeah. But it's all right. There's plenty of time. So here's the thing that... Here's something that can happen, and it happened exactly perfectly. I almost feel like bringing it up on the simulation session we did. I'm going to bring something up, you guys. Please bear with me. I guarantee this will be... you'll get value out of this. I'll rush to it real quick. I'll rush to it real quick over here. Because I know people have short attention spans. So this is a simulation session we did on Saturday with the community cats in the Discord. And I'll show you the setup that we caught is exactly what is setting up right now. Right here. So see right here, this candle is broke out. The next one is pushing down. Look what happened after that. I go, oh, damn, we must have missed that one. It's the next 15 started to push up. What did that look like on the 30 minute? It looked like that. Exactly what I said I've been wanting. A breakout with a bit of support to be created outside of that breakout range. What happened? I took a buy and look what happened. All right? Enough volume to push it up. So I'm essentially waiting for something similar to that. Look, doesn't that look similar, you guys? Check this out, right? That's the type of thing that I'm waiting for over here. So let's be patient. Again, that simulation session was done with the community in the Discord. Join my Discord. If you're on YouTube, it's in my chat there. But if you're on TikTok, it's in my bio. How long is the London session, bro? Good question. Energy, check this out. If you type in babypips, babypips.com, here's the session time thing. And it'll align to where you are. And we can see that where I am, London's been open for an hour and a half. And it'll run for 4 hours or something like that. Well, it runs for longer than that, but then when New York session overlaps, it's kind of like, whatever, I'm done. Not going to lie, I brought 20 minutes ago. Ooh. Oh, thank you for the follow there on TikTok. Ricky, Marius, and Mimo. So getting a bit of a retracement. A lot of inexperienced breakout traders are stuck in buys right now, and their stop losses just got hit, right? Because they were impatient and they thought this is the time to take it. And it's like, nah, bro. There's more than one confluence in a breakout trade. You need to wait. Can we enter? Can I enter your esophagus through your mouth and just crawl into your body? That's the real question. That's how I used to trade breakouts. Oh, yeah, see that graffiti? So, just be a chilled guy. That's all right, Toby. We'll get another shot over here. A year ago, I would have lost 3 or more trades already. Wow, interesting. Got to admit, when I joined, I thought you'd be like all the other traders, stubborn and not respond. No, brother, because you know what? I still watch live streams, and I used to, as I came into trading, watch a lot of live streams, and I would try to actually ask the people that I was watching questions. I wanted to learn. So if people are in that situation, I can help people learn some of these things. Fucking, I'm all for it. I get a lot out of it as well, because I'm like, man, I remember when I was asking and trying to figure this shit out. What are your thoughts on hedging? Hedging or edging? Thank you, No Cap. Appreciate that, brother. What are your thoughts on edging? I don't know. Fuck hell. Wow, look at this rejection, you guys. So 4 minutes over here. What does a 1 hour look like? What does a 4 hour look like? The 4 hour closes in 30 minutes. I was going to say at the start of the stream, I wouldn't be surprised if this 4 hour gets stuck in this range. I was going to say that, but I was like, nah, let's not put that energy out there because I want to take a trade. Yep, exactly, Pabsy. The key is patience. Let the trades come to you. Don't chase. Oh, yeah, nice energy. Okay. I feel bad for those people that bought. Yeah, but they're going to have to learn one way or another, right? I guess. The reason why I thought this 4 hour might get stuck in this range is if we're still ready to push down further, we've just created a bit of 4 hour support for the next candle to continue further down, right? Yeah, a bit of a rough rejection there, Toby. 3 minutes over here. Yeah, so check this out, guys. Like, for me, this was a clear no buy. I'm pretty well versed with breakouts. Not that I know I'll win, but I know when to avoid breakouts. And a lot of people took buys here, and they're just going, why me? Because they see all this clean range and like, this is my chance to take the ride all the way back up. And it's like, no, bro, this wasn't enough. This wasn't enough of a signal to do that. Let's continue the patience over here. Wow, 18,000 likes here on TikTok, you guys. Exactly, no cap. Yep. There is no news, just hype. There's no news for another, like, 7 hours, 6 hours. Tell us some rules about breakouts, bro. How do you know? I did already describe it, but I don't know if people, there might be new people. Let me just go through this real quickly with you guys then. I'll tell you, you know what's more important? Listen to this, you guys. You know what's more important? Because we always hear about, and this is the thing, if I were to help other traders, one of the biggest things I would do is tell them what's the signs to look for in order to avoid a trade, not what to look for a trade. And what signs to avoid here that kept me out of this is this. Let's say I have about 5 different boxes that I know I need ticked in order for me to take a trade. The ones that weren't ticked were, we moved up green 70 pips without creating any support first. Red flag 1. I know we need a bit of red first to be printed in order for it to have enough volt. Not that we need, but the probability of it continuing up is much stronger if a bit of support is formed around here somewhere. We didn't get that. It was just green. Secondly, this broke out with no top wick. We know if there's no top wick, no range has been created yet. It doesn't, there's a bit of, there'll be like a tendency for, like a hesitation for it to continue up. So those two things alone they're like really important. Has support been formed before it broke out? And is there a top wick? If those two boxes aren't ticked, I won't take the trade. And what I said I wanted to see was this candle here to do exactly this. See how this candle here broke out? And then the next one created support outside of that resistance range. And then in this instance, I took that buy and it went really well. All right. And look even furthermore. In here, it created support before it broke out. And what did it do after that? It broke out and then created even more support. And I took an impulse buy right there and it shot up. So the difference is this one had a healthy wick. It had a wick and it created some support there. There's a couple things, but yeah. Okay, so we broke back into the range. So that was a 15. Is the 30 still open, you guys? No, the 30 just closed. The 30 failed to break out. So this is interesting over here. If the next 15... If the next... This is the new range. This is the new resistance range. And that's what's up. There's a time and a place and a particular setup that would make that me keep the resistance range down there, but this isn't it. Again, on this trade, I kept the resistance range where it was because it's too much to explain. I need to actually be in it. But anyway, just trust me, this is the new resistance range. $30 closed doji, 1 hour still open. We continue. The show goes on. Draw a support line diagonal. I don't know what I mean. The patience this guy has. It's really, yeah, it's just, it's not even patience. It's literally just saying, well, I can't trade until XYZ happens, and XYZ hasn't happened. And it's not even that it's going to guarantee a win. It's just, it's going to increase the probability a bit more. Bottom wick created support, very clean, diagonal. Support is form. I don't base support on wicks. It's candle body closures. So the support is here for me. Toby, I know you don't like this strat. I know you do this strat no more, but I do order blocks. And when I don't see an order block, I don't want to enter and wait till the next day. I still look. Yeah, well, that's it. If you don't see what you need to see, then yeah, that's fine. Just take the day off. That's way better, bro. That's literally you forcing discipline into your mind. That's fine. Because yeah, exactly. I always come back to this. Would you rather miss a trade or lose a trade? Pretty simple. Hey, you guys on YouTube, if you're not subscribed, drop a subscribe, gang. I'll be live over there every day. Every day. Oh, it's not orb is a opening range breakout. Oh. And when you say opening range, you mean like in the session opening? A session open? When will you look for a sell when it gets to this range? I've said in the chat before that I don't want to participate in this range here. I don't want to participate in this range. And look how disgusting it is. Yeah, anyway, I'm not participating in that range. And I'd rather miss a trade than lose a trade. It's really that simple. What's your biggest loss? Blown account, really? That's about it. You can buy, bro. Oh, thank you. All right. I guess we're buying then. I guess we're buying. What's your name? You can buy, bro. ICT in brackets MMXM. Isn't that cult? Isn't that a cult? No, I better not buy. I better not. Okay, I'm with you, Jai. Okay, interesting. Yeah, fair enough. Yep, fair enough. Someone said buy. I'm pretty sure. Wait, MMX. Let me check this out. MMXM cult? Is it? MMX. Oh, no, it's a day trading thing. But it still came up as a cult, so it must be some sort of ICT cult. Let's have a look at the images. Oh, okay. It's some kid. Yeah, it's some sort of thing over here. Anyway. Anyone got, if anyone has any analysis, people are dropping analysis over here in the Discord. Join the Discord, you guys, if you're not already. Let's have a look. Dilawar just wrote something. China reports discovering a massive, this is what I read. China reports discovering a massive 83 billion gold deposit in Hunan province. So when China realizes they have way more gold than they anticipated, what happens to gold? It loses value because more scarcity creates value. So obviously, since they've realized that, what has happened to gold? Massive drop. Thank you for finding that, Dilawar. Yeah, that's what I read. Yep. You guys, if you're not in the Discord, you're missing out, my dudes. You're missing out, broad. Oh, thank you for the follow there on TikTok, Spy78 and Milan254 and Mr. Prime. Mr. Prime over here. Live every day, bro? Yeah, every day, brother. During the London session, I'll be live every day. It's every day, bro, with that Jake Paul flow. Guys, be patient. Resistance support lines are clearly outlined. Exactly. Thank you, Jay. That's exactly right. That's exactly right. Oh, I just hit 20k likes on TikTok, you guys. Wow. And some of you guys have dropped like gifts and everything. Thanks so much. Wow. Crazy over here. Santi. But you know what? You might be right, because the reality is all we can do is wait. There's nothing more we can do. And that's okay. What are you going to do? Sit there and scroll freaking TikTok and just fry your brain? You might as well just be on the charts and just wait for that opportunity to strike. What's it like in Australia, planning to go there in a few years? Spiders? Nah, there's no spiders. It's good here, bro. Come. Nice, Ken. Nice. Someone else over here. OMG Dev said, buy, sir. Trust me, buy. Wow. You might be right, but I'm going to wait for my... Do you have a kangaroo pet? Yeah, I got one here. Creative Crafting Chronicles. I'm a broke-ass guy in a third world country and I earn... Oh, someone put a hat on me over here. Chris, thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. I can't find the link to your Discord. It's in my TikTok bio. It's in my TikTok bio, brother. Okay, let me read this thing over here. I'm a broke-ass guy in a third world country and I earn now $80 per day in scalping, which is like equivalent to $625 cost of living in the US. Oh, wow. So you're crawling your way out of a third world country through trading. If that's true, that's incredible, brother. If that's true, that's incredible, brother. You're going to inspire a lot of people. Trust me, than a series of red candles. But this is the thing, you guys. So this guy that's, I'm telling you 100%, this guy that's saying buy in the chat, because there's a 50% chance that the charts are going to go either up or down. It's pretty freaking simple. So if it does go up, he's going to come back in an hour and say, I told you. Happens every day on the stream. It's not about trying to, oh, someone else is putting like things on my hat. Thank you, Rad. Thank you for putting a hat on me over there. A gift. Guys, let's plan a trip to Australia. Yeah, come to Australia. We'll all get together and trade. I want to visit your country. Yeah, come over. We'll get the whole gang together. We'll have a live stream. It'll just be everyone in the background. We're all like, bye. All right, 4 minutes over here. 30's closing and 15. The 1 hour is still open. 1 hour's closing smaller body. The 4 hours stuck in this range. Could be 4 hour support. Let's see. Get J. What's your best tips for a beginner trader? Do the baby pips course. And then come back to me and I'll tell you what to do from there. I'll tell you that there's all right, check this out, you guys. There's 3 things as a very beginner. The first step, do the baby pips course. Do the entire baby pips course. The second step is to run through YouTube and understand candlesticks, right? Understand what candlesticks mean, the terminology, whatever. The third thing is trade a demo account and get a pulse in the market. Just feel how it feels to trade a demo account. And then from there, maybe buy a cheap funded account and go from there. How much money have you made this year? Oh, bro, I can't even keep track. Sorry. Rad, you're dropping mad gifts over here. Thank you, brother. Crazy stuff over here. Daniel, do you have a community so we can learn and talk to each other? 100%. It's in my bio there, my Discord. Join the Discord gang, because we also will be doing a webinar every weekend as well. We'll be doing a webinar every weekend so we can all get together on a Zoom and do some simulation trading and focus on some key areas that we all might need some to focus on. Are you going to trade yet? No. There's a 5-minute FVG small bearish. I don't know anything about that. Yeah, so here, Energy in the chat, Energy said that's exactly what he's doing. When I said what Energy's relatively new to this game, first thing, baby pips. Second thing, scan YouTube, understand candlesticks. Third thing, demo account. Is $1,000 enough for trading to start after demo or not worth it? I don't think it's worth it. I think it's worth paying like $50 for a cheap funded account and see if you can pass that, because you're going to blow $1,000, 100%. There's a 100% chance that you will lose that $1,000. You're going to learn a lot, but you're going to lose the money. Like that's not me being a dick. It's just what it is. So I would suggest paying like $70 for a cheap funded account. Try and pass like a 5-10K challenge account and just do it that way. Save yourself the money. Daniel, what made you start trading gold? I just found I liked trading gold the most. It just felt the best for me, and I've just decided just to focus on gold. Does the elevator music you play help keep your nerves calm a bit? It actually does. It actually does. So I picked all this music myself and put it together, and it does keep me a bit more. I specifically made sure it wasn't songs that had a high beat per minute. Where are you from? Brisbane, Australia. Always a lot of hype about A-book and B-book brokers. What's your take? It doesn't matter at all. It doesn't matter to you, the trader, the retail trader. It's how the broker decides to pay you and get the money and stuff like that. What firm company can you recommend? Nah, they're all the same. Just any. Graffiti here in the TikTok chat said, while we wait for a setup, could somebody drop me a follow? I'm just a chill guy with that many followers. I'll drop you a follow, Graffiti, if I'm not already. Can I follow you? Oh, yeah, I can. Look, yeah, I'll drop you a follow. You got heaps of followers, motherfucker. You got 5,000. Anyway, I followed you anyway. Graham L. I have a cell running from 2702. Think it's safe to leave running. Only you know that, brother. I can't. Bro, why are you... personally, if I got a cell that's moved 400 pips in a day, you got to ask yourself, fuck me, am I being greedy now or not? Oh, thank you for the follow there on TikTok, King Finyo. Those dudes claiming to have 500% win rate always have loud beat music in the background. They do, bro. Why is that so true? Because that's their whole vibe. The whole vibe is like this gamble stream, like boom, boom, boom. Where I'm like, no, we're trading, bro. Like it's a game of patience and professionalism. It's not a freaking party. Do you focus on fundamental analysis? No, not at all. No. I pay attention to red folder news, but I don't actually... I stay up to date a little bit as to like... For things like today, I looked into it a little bit as to why it dropped so dramatically, but I'm not like, all right, so the Fed's cut and this and that. I don't give a shit. I think it's not good to enter. Yeah, I'm just waiting. You guys can see what I'm waiting for. Pretty straightforward. When this 15-minute closes, that's a 4-hour closure, you guys. Very interesting. Very interesting. Chris, I got no followers. Chris, I'll drop you a follow. You're loyal in the chat over here. Oh, you got 11k? Bro, you guys all have way more followers than freaking... Anyway, I'll drop a follow for you there, Chris. What's a cheap funded account? I don't know. They're all cheap. Yeah. What's your prediction of... Is FOMC tomorrow? I don't think FOMC is tomorrow. Oh, wow. You're right. Wow, you guys. Okay, I didn't know that. Bro should take profit. Yeah. I think you're talking about the guy that's been holding it since this morning. Should I take profits? It's like, bro, you'll never see Asia drop fucking 600 pips again, or very rarely. Take the fucking profits. Yeah, I don't know about prediction for FOMC tomorrow, but something's going to pop off, so that's very interesting. We're going to get some volume push one way or the other. Wow, everyone. Steady darts, I'll drop you a follow, bro. I'm out here following everyone. Only because I see you guys consistently in the chat. Mental health is important. Is Coindex prediction a legit? I don't know. I don't care about anyone's prediction. No one knows anything. No one can predict the markets. Why were most markets artificially adjusted? They're not artificially adjusted. Oh yeah, Dillawa, 100%, brother. 100%. I got you there, bro. What are we waiting for, babe? It has it right here. You can look at it. Look, you can see what I'm waiting for. Exactly. You can literally see my thoughts. But here's the thing, you guys. And you guys are going to hate me. Actually, you know what? I don't care about the potential, like, oh, this dude doesn't even trade. If we get a breakout here, I can't take it. I can't take it. And I'll tell you why. It's the 4-hour closure. I can't take an entry within the first 15 minutes of a 4-hour closure. So if this breaks out, I have to wait 15 minutes. And that's okay, because it should be okay still. You guys are all trying to spam follows now. I'm only following some of these cats that I know are in the Discord and they show up every day and stuff. Daniel, you are a great guy. Gary, you are a great guy. Thank you, but you are a great guy. Yeah. Please buy, someone said in capitals. Marshall. No. No. Do you guys know, like, so check this out, guys. If you take a buy or you take an entry as the 4-hour candle closes, it's such a strong closure. 99% of the time, when it opens up, it's going to shoot one way or the other. And it most of the time I've found it doesn't necessarily mean that that's where the direction of the candle is going to go. It just means it's opening up and it's feeling out. It's just like it'll feel out both ways. And it's like, I don't want to be stuck in that feel out stage because typically it'll take out your stop loss. Like it's fucking basic physics. People don't have the patience, just want to buy or sell. I know, it's insane, bro. It's insane. Please explain why you can't. Oh, I just did. So again, it's a strong closure and a strong opening of the new candle, and typically it'll move one way or another and won't really take into consideration that it's just broken out and things like that. And in that initial opening movement, it's going to potentially take out my stop loss. Yeah, I only trade London Open. Well, thank you for the follow over there on TikTok, Dan Teller and FB. Bro, when was the time you felt you're ready for most trading success? When I habitually rocked up every day and executed my playbook. Because it wasn't, you know how do you guys ever hear people talk about, oh, when was your trading aha moment? And I've realized, I don't know about any of this aha shit, but I do realize that you get to a point where you're like, oh my God, I'm in this position. Just by showing up every day. Like, just showing up does amazing things, but it's showing up with intent. You can't just show up and just be a degenerate. It's showing up with intent, and when you do take an L, you assess it and try to get better. And just by doing that, you kind of just find yourself in a situation like, oh my God, I'm kind of like way better than I was last month and the month. Like, you know what I mean? You just find yourself in this position. It's not like an intentional thing. Rather wait an extra 15 minutes than gamble. Exactly, bro. Waiting for some buy or sell. Fuck. Also, earlier you mentioned looking into why the markets went down today. Did you find out? Yeah. It's because China found... China reports discovering a massive 83 billion gold deposit. So obviously they have more gold than they anticipated. The value went down. If you show up every day, you won't ever miss a lucky... No, we don't care about lucky days or important days. Just mundane days. Just mundane. It doesn't need to be a special day. Just show up every day. That's it. That's it. What do you mean by a cheap funded account? Just look into it, Dimitri. Just look into it. Just look into it. It's... I see a setup. Please give me a reason not to sell. I just did in regards to the 4-hour. And intuition gets better with experience, big time. Do you trade indices? No. Clear breakout 1 hour. Yeah, there is. Well, it's not a breakout just yet. Check out Vaporin. No. Wow, nearly at 30,000 likes here on TikTok, you guys. Appreciate you guys a lot. Wild. Very wild over there. 6 minutes here. Let's see if we can get a breakout and a closure. 4-hour closing with little to no top wick. All right. That's a red flag as well. .30-minute breaking out. Still 5 minutes. A lot can happen in 5 minutes, especially the last 5 minutes of a 4-hour candle. Yeah, close that shit, Danny. You hold any crypto? No, I'm a day trader, not a crypto person. Yeah, Carolina, but I think you're making excuses in your own head. I have a day job as well, and you dedicate your day job, that time to your day job, and then your trading time to your trading job. You're not at work right now, so there's no reason to say, I'm not a motivational speaker, but be careful of the words you say out loud. If you say out loud, my day job is still slowing me down, well, now it is. You're putting that out in the universe. It's not. You're here now. You're not at work. You're all good. Let's trade. Let's focus on the charts. It's all right. D, let's wait. Yeah, let's be patient. Let's be patient over here. Prop, magical. Prop. I work and also trade. Yeah. Yep, me too, bro. I'm at my day job right now. The universe always gives back. Exactly, man. The older I get, the more I like pay attention and just feel like I'm more aware of the true raw fact that there are universal laws. There really are. And they matter. Yes, it's Monday, so I'm here. Okay, good. But if you're saying to yourself you only have Monday to trade, this is the thing. I call cap on anyone that says I have no time for trading. I call cap on it because here's the thing, and I only ever say the word cap on stream. I don't know why. I kind of say it sarcastically, but anyway, there's 3 major sessions in the markets in which you can trade: the Asia, the London, and the New York. If you can't figure it out to work your work around one of these sessions, then the problem is you. Whether that means you wake up earlier or go to sleep later, the problem is you. There's always time to trade. There's 3 key sessions. Just figure it out. All right? Anyone that says, I work, I don't have time, whatever. You don't want to make the time. It's that simple. And I'm not trying to be a dick or be super harsh, but it's just a reality, bro. How to pass a funded challenge. Please give tips. Just consistently trade, and if you fuck up, then journal it and look to get better the next day. It's just consistency, brother. Just keep showing up and keep aiming to get better. That's it. What's the best time to trade in one of those key sessions? I have 2 jobs and I can trade 8 hours a day. Nice. Have you ever looked into trading with order flow? I've looked into trading with everything, brother. Everything. And I ended up coming back to the exact strategy I have, which is clean charts, candlestick, price action. Yep, I've done it all. Every indicator, every time frame, I've done it all. I've been around the world. London is the best session. Yeah, I love London session. There is no best time when you see a sign, go for it. Yeah, but I think you have to pay attention to session times, because you know in particular session times, that's when the most volume is, and you want to enter trades when the most volume is. If I'm entering a breakout anticipating it to go up, I need to know that there's volume that's going to push it past a key level. If I'm trading in a low volume time, it's probably just going to dance around, and then you're going to be sitting there stressing out watching the charts dance around for a bunch of time. I like the way you trade. Thank you, Sam. I appreciate that, brother. Yo, what up? What up, market? Thank you for all the information. Thank you for being here, brother. I did the same. I tried it all in the past 6 years and came back to a very simple chart. Yeah, bro. Pillow talk. I think that's a story for a lot of people. Because you come into trading thinking, surely it's not, like, the more technical it is, that would have to be how the professionals do it, and surely that would equate to more money. And then the longer you get in it, it's almost the opposite. The more you subtract from your messy chart, the better it gets. Just don't sleep. Sleeps for the weak. If you want to be a successful trader, sleeps for the weak. Oh, thank you for the follow there on TikTok. Nice guy. You follow the 80-20% rule? No, I don't follow any rule, anything like that. I just follow my rules. Oh, you're trading the New York and the London session. Yeah, see, I only have enough mental capacity for one session. So check this out. The 4 hours about to close in 30 seconds over here. It didn't break out still. It didn't break out still. I read that most professionals use order flow. Bro, don't worry about reading what most professionals do. I can tell you right now, most professionals don't. And order flow is only for stocks. Like, you don't have order flow with Forex and futures. Oh, you might have it with futures, but not Forex. And a lot of professionals trade Forex. So that statement is not true. All right, so that's a 4-hour closure, small wick. Bro, I legitimately was going to say this when I jumped on the screen. I could almost guarantee this 4 hours is going to stay in this range until the next one. Let's be patient here, guys. Like I said, to see how this next 15 candle prints is going to be very important. We get paid to wait. It's really that simple. We get paid to wait. So if you're like, oh, this dude just doesn't take a trade, bruh, go for it. Yep. I know a guy that uses support resistance successfully. Yep, exactly, bro. Wow, thank you for the follow there on TikTok. You guys spamming it. So this is the new 4-hour candle here opening up. We haven't had a breakout. We had some sort of fake out almost. But Corsica's1, what up? Thank you for being here, brother. Good morning to you. Any advice for beginners, please? Do the baby pips course, then scan YouTube to understand candlesticks, and then put money in a demo account. Oh, you don't put money in a demo account. 4-hour engulfing? The 4 hours certainly did not engulf. If it engulfed that previous 4 hour, well, flip me. We're in trouble. Now, 4 hours, maybe it could be looked at as some sort of support, but it could be looked at as whatever. Let's just see. Let's see if we can get a breakout above here or something happening over here. Yep. What Dilawa said here in the chat, just looking at candles without actually trading can teach you a lot. Sometimes you can just take a mental trade. Easy, no cap. Join the Discord if you're not, brother. TikTok, I'm in my bio there is a Discord. You should join the community if you want to be a true G. If you want to join the cats over here and bring up, if anyone's in the Discord right now and has some analysis, bring it up here. I'll pull it up. But let's see over here. The 1 hour candle might be getting smaller. 30-minute. No, it's all good. It's all good. It's not. There's no clear sign just yet. The only clear sign is that a breakout would be quite ideal. And TikTok, right now I'm on YouTube as well. Daniel Holmes Trades. It's like a full screen. It's way better than fucking TikTok screen. Wow, I just hit 30k followers here. I mean, views. I mean, likes. Thank you guys. Oh, yes. Awesome. No cap. In 15 minutes, there was a bullish divergent. Earliest I have taken buy and still holding some portions. Okay, I don't know what that means, but as long as you're in profit, that's all that matters. Good shit, brother. I mean, you trade only 20% of the time on the chart. Oh, if that. I'll trade like I'm in a trade and I'm out. In and out. I'm 2 pumps. I'm done. 2 pumps on the charts and then I'm out. Inverted head and shoulders. On what time frame, Chris? Pump those likes, people. Yes, please. 1 or 2 risk reward usually. Not really. Usually probably 1 to 1. But I move the stops to break even relatively quick, and then I'll cut 85% and let runners run, and you know, then it could be like 1 to freaking 1,000. Oh, for some reason it's allowing you to join the Discord now. Oh, it's not? I can't send you the link if it's not. I think you have to copy the actual Discord link and then place it into a browser. Because because if you don't have Discord, the app on your phone, it won't allow you to join, I think. Parallel channels will stop you. I just joined. Ah, amazing, you guys. Awesome. I do have the app though. Ah, that's annoying. I don't know then. Yeah. If not, it's on my YouTube. I know it's a bit of a mess around, but on my YouTube, I'm live right now, and in the YouTube chat, there's a link pinned to my Discord. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube right now. So let's see. Yeah, let's hang out, man. We need this candle to close. The London session is really just consolidating this shit here. And, you know, if we don't get a flipping trade, it is what it is. But I'll hang out. Like, we'll see if we can get this breakout over here. If it does start to push back down to the middle of this range, I'll call it a day. But if it dances around here, we'll wait for a breakout. Bruv, it says gold is going to be... Yeah, we'll see. Oh, copy and paste the link in the Discord app. Okay. Do you also have a Telegram? No, absolutely not. Telegrams, I think I associate with like signals and shit like that. I'm not... It's so... When people say they have a Telegram, I just think spammy signals. It's like, bro, I'm not trying to be like that. Like, I'm trying to build a community of traders, and we actually really try and get at this shit. Why not trade the Asian session anymore? I enjoy the London session more. I don't want to exhaust my mental capacity too much during the London session and then move into Asia a bit mentally fatigued. Today I will blow my account. Okay. Okay. Give it a crack. Oh, today I blow? I guess then you already did. Brother. All you got to do is, again, what's the advice I can give you? It's the advice I say whenever someone says this. I say, bro, all you can do is journal it. Look back. What did I do wrong? And get better. Aim to not do that again. It's really that simple. It's not simple. It's simple in theory, but, you know, that's all you can do, brother. Do this. Look what I got. You need some sort of journal over here, brother. I track all my trades here. I can pull up a screenshot. Oh, yeah, look, I took the trade here, blah, blah, blah. I know what session, what time, everything about it. And the thing about doing that as well, it forces you to face your losses. Because a lot of the time you take a loss and you're like, whatever. All right, I'll come back tomorrow. But that loss has all the info you need. That loss will tell you way more about your trading than a win will. So that's probably what I... Do you trade every session? Absolutely not, just London. I blew my 150k. Ooh, same thing, brother. That's all we can do is just look back and try to figure out how we can get better. Thank you for the follow there on TikTok. Thank you for the follow. All right, you guys. So let's see how this candle closes over here. It's a 4-hour, new 4-hour. You know, I've been on here for a couple of hours, but we are really edging the top of this zone here. So I want to see if we can get a breakout. Would you scalp within the range with a 0.1 lot? No, but it's... Alhamdulillah. There's no point of doing that because that's just... What are you trying to prove by doing that? Like, sorry, I'm not trying to be a dick, but if I were to do that and be like, oh, let's just do it. Like, what am I trying to prove? And plus, I'm embedding bad habits. That's me. If I get rewarded and the trade does well, I've just got rewarded for bad behavior. Dan, check Insta quick for analysis from Raja. Bro, don't say that to me. I hope so. Bro, Raja has liked my fucking things before on Instagram. Best funded accounts. They're all the same. I don't know why crypto crashed. What do you mean? Did crypto crash? What did Bitcoin look like? Crypto didn't crash. What are you talking about? You're probably just following a bunch of retard, like meme coin kids. Like, dude, it's going up, dude. Ah, it's going down. Rug pull. It's like, that's not trading, bro. That's just casino shit. That's on the casino ting. The sell setup I had earlier is valid. Okay. So we're edging this key area here. Let's just hang out. Let's just hang out here. I would like it to print red how it is, to be honest, and then a breakout from there. It might dance around this set till New York. Well, what's the time? 8. No, New York's still got a couple of hours. I think we'll get something. But if it does start to work its way back down, then I think we'll be dancing around till New York. So that's why I said if it comes back down to this range here-ish, the middle of this range, I'll call it a day. Because it's going to take ages to get to one or the other side. And I think it'll be a New York thing. Yeah, I'm edging too. There's people edging over here in the chat. If it hits the gold buy line, well, I don't know about that because it doesn't say buy if it hits. Does it? It doesn't say buy if it hits. It's a very important key point. Yeah, that's it, Tony. 100%, brother. Wow, you guys. 32,000 likes on TikTok and 157 follows. That's wild. If you're not following, gang, drop a follow. I live stream trading every single day over here. So, yeah, that'd be cool. That'd be pretty cool. So I've got 3 minutes over here. I've got 3 minutes over here. That's exactly right. You should, yeah, you want to know your stop losses and things like that before you even took a sell on that hammer candle. Oh, okay, you're going back into this range here. Above FVG, don't know anything about that stuff. Oh, thank you for the follow there on TikTok, Pablo, Keem Frosty, and Fitter129. So essentially, guys, my probability is I'm going to see how this candle closes. I want it to print red like this. And I want to see how the next one, if the next one can break out. If the next one pushes red again, I'll very likely call it a day. Hi, bro. Hi, Pen Sin Ten Wang Tina. Thank you for being here. I wait for your signal. It's not a signal, but if you want to wait till I take a trade, that's okay. Someone else over here is selling. People are selling over here. Okay, fair enough. I wish you the best. Just join your Discord. Thank you so much. Ah, amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Gang, the Discord over here. If you're not in it, join it, or else I'll find you, and I will. And every weekend we do we'll be doing a webinar together. So everyone will jump on the Zoom and we'll smash it out together. Get some shit done on the weekend instead of being unproductive with our trading. Long consolidation, rejection zone. Well, this is typically what happens, you guys. When you get a 600 pip move during Asia, the London's going to open up and just probably consolidate for a while. But, you know, we could get volume. Let's just hang out. I want to see if we can get a breakout up here. Yeah, this candle closes in a minute. Just passed my 10K funded account in 3 days thanks to you partially. Oh, excellent stuff, man. Wow. Yeah, that's awesome, brother. Awesome. That's made my day. Bro, I'm not getting your notification. Don't ignore. Huh? New here. Good to meet you, mate. Oh, thanks, Ryan. Glad to have you here, brother. We've been waiting around a couple of hours for an opportunity over here. The London session's kind of just consolidating, so I'm basically just waiting for some sort of breakout here. If it starts to move down back in towards the middle of this range, I'll probably call it a day because we might not get a breakout to the New York session then, so there's no point hanging out then. Are you in America? Are you in America? Are you in America? Are you in America? I don't know, bro. I don't think. No, I'm not in. I'm in Australia. All right, so this one closed with no bottom wick. Amigo, if you keep spamming the chat, I'm just gonna block you, bro. Where are you from, bro? I'm from Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. All right, bro, the baby pips course you recommended, I'm doing it as it says, Forex, and I'm doing the right one. Yeah, do it. I know you said that you train futures energy. I think it's good just to do it anyway, because you're probably going to end up trading futures and Forex, and regardless, it's going to just teach you some fundamentals about markets anyway. Forex market's a bigger market than futures anyway, so it's going to be good to know. The only thing I would say to skip in there is towards the end, it talks about indicators. Don't worry about indicators at all. I think that's going to help, Graffiti. No, I haven't seen the film The Office. My boss is from Southport, Queensland. Wow. Bro, that's wild. I thought you were from a third world country climbing out of the slums. That's unbelievable. I'm from Malaysia, bro. Greetings from Australia to Malaysia. Yeah, that's right, energy. How do I join the Discord, sir? Just click the link in my bio, in my TikTok bio. And if you can't find it there, just type Daniel Holmes Trades into YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now, and it's in the chat. It's pinned in the chat. And the YouTube screen's way better than TikTok anyway. But anyway. How's your funded account going, bro? One of them I passed last week, and this one's pretty healthy. It's still... So not last week, the week before, I did a bit of damage on it. But I'm floating around 0.5% profit. 6% is the target. All right, John. What's your win rate? 100%. What do you think is going to happen in the New York session? I don't know, but I want to see a breakout here. If this candle closes red, I'm done for the day, you guys. We're just consolidating this London session. We moved 600 pips in the Asia session, and we're just consolidating the London session so far. If it moves red again, yeah, I'm just going to have to call it a day, and the New York session, people can probably get the breakout and things like that. It doesn't bother me one bit. It doesn't bother me one bit. We don't have to take a trade every day. It's 8:15 p.m. where I am. How many pairs do you trade? Just gold. My win rate's 60%. Yeah, that's a pretty freaking... That's a solid win rate, bro. That's awesome. How do you get a funded account? Please teach me. Show up to the stream every day and join the Discord. From TikTok to YouTube, much better. Ah, nice. Mubarak. Amazing, brother. Amazing. Way better, eh? Why you sound like that? Why do you type like that? Why do you sound like that? Somebody said. Why do you sound like that? Somebody typed into the chat over here. Again, you guys know where I'm at. If this closes red, it doesn't look like it, but this is a pretty big range with like 100 pips. Yeah, it's like 110 pips. So the time that it's going to take to get back up to this zone is going to be ages. So I'm not going to hang out for that. They think you're AI, bro. Oh. I'm level up. Yo, YouTube setup is clean. Yeah, thank you, brother. I appreciate that. Yep, YouTube setup is clean over there instead of TikTok. What prop firm do you use and why would you recommend it? I don't know. I don't know what prop firm I use. Ninja Trader. I mean, Apex. I'm with fucking 3 different ones, but Apex is what I'll be trading on the stream mostly. What are you waiting for now? Essentially, I need this candle to print green and start to work its way up to this resistance zone. If it prints red, I'm going to be waiting around too long and I'm just going to call it a day. It's really that simple. Dan, do you use alerts on trading views? No, because I only trade when I'm sitting in front of the charts, focused on the charts, and I'm observing it, so I don't need to set alerts. That's the only thing there. Oh, Graffiti, you dropped your thing in the Discord, did you? Let's have a look. Let's have a look over here. Okay, so you marked out this trend line, I'm assuming. This is a 5-minute trend line, and then you... I can see you took a sell before the break of the actual trend line. What did you get over here? What made you take the sell over here? A bounce off resistance or something like that? So we've got 8 minutes here. Although this, I said if this one closes red, I'll call it a day. Trust me, a lot can happen in 8 minutes. So let's just be patient here for a minute and just see if it wants to flip green or not. It's really that simple. Thank you for the follow there on TikTok. Elida Mattresses one. Getting followed by freaking mattress brands. Bro, I need a new mattress bad. So let's see what this candle can do. This candle is the determining factor. This candle is the determining factor. But yeah, it is what it is. Look, there was so much volume during the Asia sesh, and then London sesh is just like, bro, I need to chill out for a minute, and that's just happens sometimes. Took it on the hammer candle. Okay, nice, bro, nice. Someone in the chat said, "Chat to me, DM for signals." Go chat to the person on TikTok for signals. Apparently, New York will reverse to the upside. No one knows. We'll have to see. Wow, these coin people are really about that casino life. In capitals, check out DND. It's going to blow in the next few hours. Oh my boy, I can't wait for that. Let me get in. How much? 10,000? Is 10,000 enough? Hey Daniel, it doesn't look like it's forming. It doesn't look like it's forming a bearish flag. I wouldn't pay attention to flags and things like that in this range. Yeah, in this particular range, I'm just looking at as sideways action. Yeah, to be honest, it's too messy to be looking at like flat patterns like that, personally. Coin. Do you only trade London? Yeah, I only trade London, bro. London open and then call it a day. If I get a trade or not, whatever happens. Because it's, again, I say it all the time, but it is mentally fatiguing to sit in front of the charts. And because you're constantly like using your brain, like, okay, this candle closed like this, and the 4 hour looks like this, and if that happens to this. So you're constantly thinking like, analyzing, it is somewhat mentally fatiguing, especially if you're taking trades as well. So I don't want to move into the New York session mentally fatigued. And plus, it's unnecessary. I'll start over trading and things like that. Oh, thank you for the follow there on TikTok, Tom. Thank you for the follow there on TikTok, Mogul Rich. OMGY, Dev, if you keep spamming. Oh, okay, sorry, I thought you were spamming some other shit. Is he spamming coins or is he being normal? It's because he keeps spamming coins and shit, OMG, and saying, I don't know. It's alright, whatever. Alright, let's have a look. I don't know why I just looked at the 5. Follow you from Lebanon. Amazing. Thank you, brother. Ahmed. Appreciate that, bro. We've got 5 minutes over here. Again, if this flips red, I'm done. If it flips green, I'll wait. I'll see if it wants to work its way up to this zone. Oh, is he hell annoying? If you want to give signals, do your own. Best advice for beginners: do the baby pips course. Scan the internet to understand candlesticks. And then trade with the demo account. Hey, you guys on YouTube, if you're not following, drop a follow, you guys. You can join the live every day. To this day. Wait your entry. You in YouTube? Yeah, I'm live on YouTube right now. It's way better than TikTok, bro. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. Let me write in the chat here. You guys on TikTok, check the chat and just, if you type that onto YouTube, I'm live right now. It's like a full screen. You don't have to be on TikTok. It's way better. Been watching this guy for a couple of weeks now. You're actually a serious guy about this and actually want it. Yeah, 100%, bro. I'm extremely serious about this. This is a very, very, very important part of my life. And yeah, it's awesome. This is the best part of my day. I get to rock up here and do the thing that I'm passionate about, and then I'm around other people that are passionate about the same thing. It's an amazing thing. It's an amazing thing. What's the sell level on the chart? You have to go on the YouTube to see that. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. You can see the numbers on over there. All right, so 2.5 minutes over here. Again, if I'm looking for a trade today, I need this to flip green. If not, I'll call it a day, and that's all good. That's all good. You taught me on an extra good thing today. Thanks. One extra good thing? What was the one extra good thing, Tony? I'm curious now. But I'm glad that you got something out of it. And people that weren't here earlier, we actually avoided a loss, right? Because this zone was here. This zone was lower before. And then this candle broke out. This candle broke out. And that's what we're waiting for. We were waiting for a breakout. And I said it has no top wick. And there was green. There wasn't any support formed. What did it do? It pushed up a bit. The buyers that took breakout trades all took buys there, and then they all got stopped out. All right, so we avoided a loss today. That's much better than even taking a trade. That's incredible. Appreciate that energy. You're a G. You're a true G. You are a G. Yeah, you guys are the best. Oh, some people over here on YouTube from TikTok. Amazing. Amazing. YouTube is way better than TikTok. Tell the people. Yeah, you guys, bro. YouTube's where it's at, hey. Volume sucks at the moment. Yeah, it's truly just because of that crazy drop off today, and you'll usually find that in one session if you get a crazy sell off like Asia. the London session will just consolidate, and maybe in New York it'll break out. But this will be me for the day, you guys, and that's okay. It's been an interesting day. Not any traders in London, like, it's been nothing. London has had no trades today. Nothing. It's just wicky, dirty candles. No clean direction. And that's okay, you guys. So, yes, that was a great example to see. That's awesome. I'm glad that you got to see that and got something out of it. Good on you, Dan. Very proud. You're a legend, Dilawar. That's it, Tony. Amazing, guys. Love yous all. Appreciate you guys being here. And yeah, that's it, NG. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. No USS for me. And that's it, you guys. Thanks a lot for being here. And have a great night, day, wherever you are. And I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow if you're around. Appreciate you.